Today, I'll show you how to uninstall a Windows 11 update. Let's get straight into it. First, press Win+I to open Settings. In the Settings window, click on Windows Update on the left side. Next, scroll down until you see Update History and select it. Inside Update History, scroll all the way down to Uninstall Updates and click it. You'll now see a list of recently installed updates. Find the update you want to remove. Usually it's listed under Quality Updates or Feature Updates. Click Uninstall, confirm the prompt, and Windows will begin removing that update. Your PC may restart during the process, so make sure you've saved everything before you start. If the update doesn't appear here, or if Windows won't let you remove it, you can try the Advanced option. Open the Start menu, type Control Panel, and open it. Go to Programs, then Programs and Features, then View Installed Updates. From here, look through the list and uninstall the update the same way. If your system became unstable after a big feature update, you can also roll back entirely. Go back to Settings, then System, then Recovery. Then select Go Back under Previous Version of Windows if the option is available. That's it. Your unwanted update should now be gone.